Big news from Kolkata. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee takes a bold stand declaring the Waqf Amendment Bill will not be implemented in this state. Addressing a Jain community event, Mamata said the Waqf Bill should never have passed. With 33% minorities in West Bengal, I will protect their rights and properties. She emphasized, just as no one can take my property, I won't let anyone take yours. Our motto is live and let live. Mamata urged, some may provoke you but don't fall for it. We must live together, united. Divide and rule politics has no place here. Referencing unrest in Murshidabad, she said, look at Bangladesh's border situation. This bill shouldn't have come now. Our duty is to protect everyone here. Mamata's message is clear. Unity strengthens the nation. In West Bengal, peace and brotherhood are our power.
और माइनॉरिटी लोगों को हम एक बात कहते हैं, देखिए आप लोगों को दिल में दुख हुआ है वक़्फ़ प्रॉपर्टी के लेके, आप भरोसा रखिए बंगाल में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा जिसमें कोई डिवाइड एंड रूल होगा। आप लोगों ने एक मैसेज दीजिए कि सबको एक साथ में रह के बचना है, जियो और जीने दो। इसके लिए बेसब्र होने का बात नहीं है, और जो रहेगा उसको प्रोटेक्शन देना हमारा काम है। इसी के लिए आप लोगों को भी कोई आप लोगों को भी पॉलिटिकली उस्काता है, प्रोवोकेटिंग, that you should assemble and lodge a movement. I will appeal to all of you not to do it. Please remember, when Didi is here, Didi will protect you and your property. Don't distrust. Let us trust each and everybody. If we are together, then we can win everything. We can conquer the world.